Good morning, children. Today I have done solutions of exercise 20b for you. For these exercise, children, we have to find out the path. Either it's given inside the playground or outside the playground. So what basically we have to do over here is, if the dimension of a rectangular plot is given, say for example in the first question we have been given the dimension of a rectangular plot is 75 meter and 60 meter, as you can see I have drawn over here, and 2-meter path has been drawn inside the plot. So inside path means when we will left out this path 2 meter 2 meter in every around all the direction. So this means we can create one more inner rectangle in this, whose dimension will be 2 less from the left hand side, 2 left hand from the right hand side. So length will become 75 minus 4, that is equal to 71 meter. Similarly, breadth also will get decreased, 2 and 2 by both from top and bottom. So the breadth will be equal to 60 minus 4, that is equal to 50 meter. And then we have to find out the area of the path by area of outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. This is the only thing which we have to do in this exercise. First we have to find out the area of the outer dimension, outer rectangle, and then we have to find out the area of the inner rectangle. So here what I have done, you can see the dimension of the rectangular plot is given as 75 and 60. So I have written inside 2 meter part all around it. So dimension of the inner rectangle 75 minus 2 and 2. I have subtracted 2 and 2, so that will become 71 meter, and breadth is equal to 60 minus 2 into 2, that is equal to 56 meter. And then I have done area of path, area of outer rectangle minus area of inner, that is 75 into 60 minus 70 into 1 into 56, and the answer comes out as 524 meter square. And then they have asked for the cost of construction also. They have mentioned cost of construction of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 125. So cost of construction of 524 meter square is equal to, we have to multiply. So that comes out as the required answer. In the next question you can see the outer dimension is given 95 and 72, and both the side 3.5 dimension has been given. So we will subtract 3.5 in the left and 3.5 out in the right. So total we have to subtract 7 centimeter. So outer rectangle length will be 95. So inner rectangle length will be equal to how much? 88. Here you can see 88. Similarly, this outer is 72, so inner will be this 65. Then we can do this, and area of path, area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle, and then cost of constructing is rupees 80 per meter square. So multiplying by this we can get this, and cost of layering grass at rupees 40 meter, matlab that the grass has to be laid in the inside rectangle. So we will find area of inner rectangle into the cost. So we have multiplied that. Okay. Then the next question number 3, you can see dimension of rectangular is given as 500 centimeter and 130 centimeter. Border is equal to this is 25 centimeter. Again we will subtract 500 minus 25 plus 25, that is 450, and 130 minus 25 plus 20, area of border, that comes out as area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Cost of 10 centimeter square is given as 1, so cost of 29 centimeter is given by 29,000 divided by 10. Same type of question is given in question number 4 also. The same thing, outer dimension given, inner dimension you have to find, and here children we are being given the inner rectangle, inner dimension given. So for the outer part we have to add. So when the length is given 9.5 centimeter, here you can see this length is given 9.5 centimeter. So outer will be 12 meter, and then 6 is this, so this is 8.5. Okay. So here we can do, and then area of this, length into breadth, subtracting this, and then cost of finding the cement. Here also the same type of question, inner dimension is given, outer dimension we have to add. So 30 centimeter I have added for the outer part, and the same rest of the questions like that only. And here something different is given in question number 7. They have been given in question number 7, the length and breadth are in the ratio of 2:1 and its perimeter is 240 meter. So first of all we have to find out the length and breadth. So let the length be 2x and breadth be 1x. So we have multiplied x and x in both the ratio. So 2x and 1x, and then by putting it in the formula of perimeter, perimeter is equal to 240 meter. 2 into L plus B is equal to 240, so 2 into 2x plus x, 240. So total x is equal to 40. Length is equal to 40 into 2, 80 meter, and breadth is equal to this. And in a rectangle dimension, we have to subtract again. The path will be subtracted, area of path, and then cost we can find. Here also they the same thing, area of room is given and a small strip is left uncovered outside, that is 75 centimeter. So I have changed the unit, children. 75 centimeter can be converted at 0.75 meter. So inner path is equal to 12, length is equal to 20.5 and 14. I have subtracted 0.75 from the both side. So this will be the proper process I have done over here. Okay, so these are the 8 questions which I have done for you. Do it in your copy. Thank you.